Okay, friends, in this session, we are going to see another important concept of the object oriented programming that is known as the polymorphism. So, what is the polymorphism? So, polymorphism allows us to create an entity that will perform different operation in a different condition. Let me explain with the help of example. So, I'm moving to the IDE, creating a new class SBI only. Okay. Now here in this class, what I'm going to do that let's say that as we know that the every bank offers the loan to the consumers, right? So when the bank provide the loan to the consumer at that time, that they calculate the EMI, okay, and EMI is calculated based on the certain values or the factors. Okay, so let me declare those factors like that integer, tenure. Okay, right, and here I'm just giving the fixed tenure, let's say that is 60 month. Okay, so tenure is in terms of month, right? And also there could be a interest rate. Okay, so let's say that the interest rate is 12.0 f. Okay, so 12 percentage is the interest rate. Okay, so that is what we have mentioned over here, right? And we have mentioned the tenure. So these are the two things based on that the EMI gets calculated. Okay, and the another one, that is the amount. Okay, so let me take the double amount is equal to, let's say, 5 lakhs. Okay, this now here that let's provide the method to calculate the EMI. Okay, so that to okay, so before writing the function, let me do minor correction over here. That interest rate should be like this is in the form of percentage, but I am going to convert into the actual format which we are going to use for our example. Okay, so we have everything over here, right? And now we are going to implement the function which will return a double, and the function name is calculate EMI. Okay, without any argument. And here we are going to write a function that will calculate the EMI. Okay, so obviously we require to return something over here, right? So what I'm going to do, that let's declare one more variable of type double EMI, and the EMI would be calculated over here like this. Okay, so this is the function to calculate the EMI, right? Okay, so you can go through the internet and you can find this function, and here just I'm returning the EMI. Okay, so now guys, what happened that we have implemented the function, right? Function has few fixed values like 60, tenure is the 60, interest rate is 0.12, and the amount is this. Okay, but someone comes to you or to your program or to your bank and ask that if I want the loan for the tenure of 3 months, that is the 36 months. Okay, and suppose your bank is interested to provide the loan with the lower interest rate, right? That is less than 0.12. Okay, and the amount is also variable. Then obviously this function is not going to work, right? So what else you can do? So in this case, what you can do, you can declare one more function, okay, with the same name, that is calculate EMI. Okay, but here, what else you are doing? You are providing a parameter. Let's say you are providing a parameter called tenure. Okay, and inside this, you are going to update the instance variable tenure which you have declared with the tenure that you are passing over here. Okay, like this. Now obviously this is wrong, right? Here what I have to do, I have to use the keyword this dot tenure, then and then the tenure would be updated, otherwise not. Okay, and similarly, what else I can do, that I can use the same equation to calculate the EMI, and I can return the EMI. Okay, so the thing to observe, that we have used two functions in the same class having the same name. This is known as what? Polymorphism. That having the same name but doing multiple function. Okay, that is known as the polymorphism. Okay, so what is changed here? Just we have provided one argument. Here we don't have any argument, and in both of the case we are doing the same thing. That means we are calculating the EMI. Okay, but the purpose of both of the methods are different. Okay, so this is known as what? Polymorphism. Okay, so now you can go through this definition once again, that it allows creating an entity that will perform different operation in a different condition. That is known as a polymorphism. That's it for this video.